Richmond. Thank you so much, and boy, is it great to be back in Loudoun County. As Ken said, we have not been here since last night. Actually, you did look different last night. Most of you were in costumes. I'm glad you're out tonight, and we had a great time with Congressman Wolf and the rest of us here coming down these streets throwing candy, and boy, it was a great reception in Leesburg. And let me just tell you, I've come to tell you that Ken and I and Bill and Tom and Joe and Tag, we are ready to lead if you are ready to win.